Hello guys, welcome back to Techie Druid. If your PC is not booting and you are seeing a blue screen that says the boot configuration data file doesn't contain valid information with error code 0xc0000098, then don't panic. This error usually appears when the BCD, which stands for boot configuration data, becomes corrupted or deleted. Because of this, Windows doesn't know how to start and your system gets stuck on the recovery screen. In many tutorials, you will see people using bootstrap commands like fix mbr or rebuild BCD, but on modern UEFI systems, those commands often don't work properly. So in this video, I'll show you the correct and reliable way to fix BCD on UEFI systems. This method works in Windows 10 and Windows 11 and does not delete your personal files. So let's fix it step by step. First, when you are on the recovery screen, press F1 to enter the recovery environment. If you don't see that option, you can also boot using a Windows installation USB and choose Repair Your Computer option in the Windows setup. Once you reach this screen, click on Troubleshoot. Then select Command Prompt. After that, the command prompt window will open and you will see something like x:\Windows System 32. That means you are inside the Windows recovery environment. Now, before rebuilding BCD, we need to confirm where your Windows is installed. Type DiskPart and press enter. Then type list volume. You'll see a list of all partitions. Look for large NTFS partition where Windows is installed. In most cases, it'll be the C drive, but sometimes in recovery mode, the drive letter may change. If Windows is on C drive, that's fine. If it's on D or another letter, remember that letter. Next, we need to mount the EFI partition. Type list disk. Select the disk where your Windows is installed. It's usually disk 0. Then type list partition. Look for a small partition, usually between 100 and 300 MB, labeled as system. That is your EFI partition. Select that partition. Now type assign letter equal to Z and press enter. This temporarily assigns the letter Z to your EFI partition. Then type exit to leave DiskPart. Now comes the most important setup. Type the following BCD boot command carefully. If your Windows is not on C drive, replace C with the correct drive letter. Press enter. If everything is correct, you'll see the message boot file successfully created. This means Windows has rebuilt the boot configuration data and restored the necessary EFI boot files. Now type exit and press enter. Click continue and let your PC restart. In most cases, your system will now boot normally without the 0xc0000098 error. So what exactly did we do in this video? Instead of trying to repair the old corrupted BCD, we completely recreated the boot files inside the EFI partition using the bcdboot command. This is the proper way to fix boot issues on modern UEFI systems.